Alright guys, it is the day, finally, day of the tune, evening of the tune. Actually, I had to schedule a late tune due to my son going to bed, not being the only free time. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little stuffy. I think he gave me one of those dreaded daycare colds. Right now it's just stuffy and runny. But, brought my mask, brought hand sanitizer and tissues, so I'm set. Not exactly sure how this tune is going to be proceeded. Sounds like we're going to be going the chip route, and possibly just like some street poles. I hope that's not too shaky for you guys. It's shaking like crazy on my end, but street poles. I don't know if he's driving, I'm driving, if he's going solo, if I need to be in the passenger seat. I'm not really sure how this thing's going to be going down. My mount's loose. And then I think he did say we're going to polish it off with a dyno. So hopefully I'll get some numbers for you guys. My goal is 300 or more. If I can hit 300, I'll be happy. I know there's a lot of you out there that are like, nah, it's not gonna make it. Yeah, I mean, maybe you're right. If it doesn't, whatever. I mean, still makes cool noises, right? Yeah, so I'm on the way to tuner and see what happens. Also, a quick thought just crossed my mind. I realized I'm kind of nervous about getting the car tuned. I'm more nervous about the tuner tuning the car and it blowing up versus me just ripping on it post-tune, like just as it is. I don't know why, but like got those butterflies going. Ah, man, it'll be good. It'll be safer. God dang it. It's the next day. Obviously, this is kind of a 180 from what you just seen. The tuning situation didn't go as planned. There was kind of like verbal miscommunications between the tuner and I. Nothing detrimental. Car's still gonna get tuned, but it's just gonna be a few days down the road. I had scheduled a tune day yesterday, and he scheduled me for a consultation to go over what he feels like I need to do to the car to get it to a tunable status. I was considering just getting it tuned bone stock injectors, stock fuel pump, just bone stock motor with the turbo setup. After talking with the tuner, he recommended I at least do some fuel system upgrades, like the pump and maybe some bigger injectors. That way we don't lean up, you know, top of third gear, top of fourth gear, whatever. After all the work I've put into it, you know, I don't want to just blow it up on the dyno. That would be kind of stupid. So I had two options to either replace the injectors, put bigger injectors in it, bigger fuel pump, and then take it to him and we'll tune and do a dyno session. That would be the less expensive route, which is what I prefer. Or the other one would be to tune it as is, see how it reacts, see if it leans out. Then you're taking the chance of it, you know, leaning out and then replacing things later. So it'll cost more in parts, labor, dyno time, tuning time. So that's kind of where my head's at. So I have a pump lined up. I'm getting some injectors figured out. Yeah. Plus this whole sick thing. I don't really want to be around a lot of people with the tune situation. So I'm gonna get over this stuffy nose, get the fueling stuff figured out, and then we'll do some actual tuning. So I guess the next couple videos I'll try and show you like what fuel pump I'm using, how to replace it, also what injectors I'm going with. I did some research on what I think I need, and the power goals that I'm going for, so we'll go over that later. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Kind of disappointed that I didn't get it tuned, but I'd prefer some longevity with this one. So that's that. Just a quick update video. I didn't have a video last Sunday because I was waiting for the tune yesterday. Tune didn't happen yesterday, so here we are. Yeah, that's about it. So fueling upgrades, and with those fueling upgrades, hoping I could get closer to like the 350 to 375 horse. So yeah, that should be a lot of fun. So stay tuned. Thanks for sticking with me. It's been a journey, you know, don't have a lot of time to work on this thing, so it takes time. So yeah, see you in the next one.